The southeast of Nigeria is one of the country's most economically vibrant regions. Rather than depending on a single metropolitan center, the region has developed a network of cities, each with its own unique economic identity. Some cities manufacture goods, others dominate commerce, while others lead in agriculture, education, hospitality, or real estate. This specialization did not happen overnight. It is the result of decades of entrepreneurship, cultural values that emphasize hard work and investment by both government and private individuals. Today, the Southeast contributes significantly to Nigeria's manufacturing, commerce, agriculture, education, and service industries. From the industrial factories of Nnewi to the bustling markets of Onitsha, from the shoemaking workshops of Aba to the rice fields of Abakaliki, every city tells a different story. This documentary explores what makes each of these cities unique and why together they form one of Africa's most dynamic economic regions. If there is one city that perfectly represents indigenous industrialization in Nigeria, it is Nnewi, often called the Japan of Africa. Nnewi transformed itself from a trading town into one of Nigeria's largest manufacturing centers. The city is home to hundreds of factories producing automotive parts, plastics, pharmaceuticals, electrical cables, motorcycles, and household products. Perhaps its greatest success story is the rise of indigenous manufacturers such as Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing, Nigeria's first indigenous automobile manufacturer. Companies like Qtix PLC, Ibeto Group, and numerous medium-scale industries have also made Nnewi a symbol of Africa's entrepreneurship. Unlike many industrial cities around the world, Nnewi's growth was largely driven by private citizens through the famous Igbo apprenticeship system rather than heavy government investment. Today, thousands of Nigerians earn their livelihood through industries located in and around Nnewi, making it one of the strongest manufacturing ecosystems in West Africa. When people think about trade in Nigeria, one city immediately comes to mind: Onitsha. The city is home to the famous Onitsha main market, widely regarded as one of the largest markets in West Africa by size and volume of trade. Every day, thousands of trucks move goods into and out of the city, supplying products to virtually every part of Nigeria and neighboring countries. Electronics, books, clothing, pharmaceuticals, building materials, household goods, and industrial equipment all pass through Onitsha. Its strategic location on the eastern bank of the River Niger has made it an important trading center for more than a century. Today, commerce remains the heartbeat of Onitsha. Millions of people depend directly or indirectly on its markets, logistic businesses, transport companies, warehouses, and wholesale distribution networks. The city remains one of the greatest symbols of the entrepreneurial spirit of the Igbo people. Few African cities have built a reputation quite like Aba, known as the manufacturing capital of leather products and garments. Aba is famous for producing high-quality shoes, bags, belts, uniforms, and clothing that are sold across Nigeria and beyond. At the center of this success is Owerri International Market, often nicknamed the China of Africa because of its enormous network of artisans and manufacturers. Thousands of skilled craftsmen transform locally sourced leather and fabrics into products that compete with imported brands. The city's entrepreneurial ecosystem has created jobs for generations while supporting Nigeria's growing Made in Nigeria movement. With increasing government support and improved infrastructure, Aba's manufacturing industry continues to attract new investors and expand into international markets. For many Nigerians, Aba remains the undisputed capital of locally made shoes and garments. Few decades ago, Ebonyi State was largely known for agriculture. Today, Abakaliki has become one of Nigeria's leading rice-producing cities. The fertile soil surrounding the city supports thousands of rice farmers, while government investments in irrigation, mechanization, and modern rice mills have significantly increased production. The famous Abakaliki rice is now recognized across Nigeria for its quality and affordability. Beyond rice, the city is also a major producer of yam, cassava, vegetable, and other food crops. Agriculture has transformed the local economy, creating employment for farmers, processors, transporters, and traders. Abakaliki demonstrates how agriculture can become a powerful engine of economic development when combined with improved infrastructure and value addition. Once famous as Nigeria's coal city, Enugu is now rapidly becoming one of the country's fastest growing real estate markets. Modern residential estates, luxury apartments, office complexes, shopping malls, hotels, and road infrastructure are reshaping the city's skyline. The state's investment in security, urban renewal, and infrastructure has increased investor confidence and attracted developers from across Nigeria. Its relatively organized layouts, favorable climate, and expanding middle class have also fueled strong demand for residential and commercial properties. Today, many analysts view Enugu as one of Southeast's most attractive destinations for real estate investment. The city is evolving into a modern urban center that combines history with contemporary development. Owerri has earned a unique reputation among Nigerian cities, often called the entertainment and hospitality capital of the Southeast. The city is known for its impressive concentration of hotels, lounges, restaurants, resorts, and nightlife. Visitors arriving in Owerri quickly notice the city's vibrant social atmosphere. Its hospitality industry supports thousands of jobs in tourism, catering, transportation, entertainment, and event management. Owerri also hosts conferences, weddings, festivals, and business meetings throughout the year, making hospitality one of its largest economic sectors. The city's warm atmosphere continues to attract visitors from across Nigeria and the diaspora. Owerri proves that the service economy can become a powerful driver of urban prosperity. While many cities are known for commerce or industry, Nsukka is celebrated for education. The town is home to the prestigious University of Nigeria, Nsukka, founded in 1960 by Dr. Nnamdi. UNN revolutionized higher education in Nigeria by introducing an American-styled educational system focused on research, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Over the decades, the university has produced presidents, governors, professors, scientists, entrepreneurs, diplomats, and business leaders across Africa. The institution has also made significant contribution to agriculture, engineering, medicine, and technology. Because of UNN, Nsukka has grown into a vibrant academic town where education remains the city's defining identity. Few universities in Africa have had such profound influence on national development. Each of these cities represents a different pillar of economic development. Nnewi builds industries, Onitsha drives commerce, Aba manufactures products, Abakaliki feeds the nation, Enugu develops modern cities, Owerri welcomes visitors, Nsukka produces knowledge. Individually, each city has built a strong reputation. Together, they create an interconnected regional economy powered by entrepreneurship, innovation, agriculture, education, and private enterprise. Their success demonstrates that sustainable development does not depend on one megacity. Instead, it can emerge from multiple specialized cities working together, each contributing its own strengths. The story of the Southeast is ultimately the story of resilience, specialization, and the determination of its people to build prosperity from the ground up. The story of the Southeast is more than a collection of cities. It is the story of a people who turned commerce into opportunity, craftsmanship into global brands, agriculture into food security, education into innovation, and hospitality into thriving local economies. Each city has developed its own identity over generations. Nnewi continues to prove that indigenous manufacturing can compete on a national scale. Onitsha remains a commercial giant, connecting businesses across West Africa. Aba keeps demonstrating the power of local production. Abakaliki continues to strengthen Nigeria's agricultural future. Enugu is rapidly transforming into a modern investment destination. Owerri showcases the importance of tourism and hospitality, while Nsukka continues to produce some of Africa's finest minds through education. Together, these cities remind us that the true strength of the Southeast lies not in one place, but in the unique role each city plays in building a stronger regional economy as a new investment, infrastructure, and innovation continues to emerge. The future of these cities promises even greater opportunities for generations to come. If you enjoyed this documentary and learned something new about the cities that make the Southeast unique, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to 1010 Media, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth documentaries on African people, history, infrastructure, business, and development. Also tell us in the comments, which Southeast city do you think has the greatest economic potential over the next decade and why? Your thoughts could inspire our next documentary. Until next time, thanks for watching 1010 Media.